Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add a new profile to the Netflix app. So let's get started. Open the Netflix app on your smart device and make sure you're signed in to your account. Opening the Netflix application on the home page in the lower right corner of the screen, look for the profile that says My Netflix and then click on it. Then, on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for 3 lines and click on them. Clicking on those 3 lines will open a small window with the offered options, from which we need the Manage Profiles option and which we will click. The application will open a new page where you can see all your profiles, but since you want to add a new one, you only need to click on the Add Profile option. Then, on the next page, the application will ask you to enter a new name for your profile. In addition to the name itself, you also have the option Made for 12 and Under, which when you activate it, will exclusively offer contents up to 12 years old and below. When you're done, all you have to do is click Save in the upper right corner of the screen. And there, your new profile has been added and you can now switch between profiles or customize each one with personalized recommendations. And that's all. Now you know how to add a new profile to your Netflix account in just a few simple steps. Whether it's family, friends, or yourself, this feature helps keep things organized. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.